Most of you guys probably don't know what dry ice blasting is, but if you followed this channel long enough, you see me do it on multiple cars, multiple builds, multiple pieces, right? From transmissions, engine bays, to suspension components, to wheels. So this right here is my bell housing, obviously the inside of the bell housing of my transmission for my B18, and it was freaking black. And as you can see on the other side right here by the engine, it's completely black. And if you've ever cleaned these areas before with pressure washer and like, I don't know, degreaser, it's a mess, dude. Crap gets all over the ground. You have gunk and, you know, all sorts of oil that's in your water system, on your freaking driveway. But with this, it basically turns into dust. So yeah, you got to make sure that you cover the area that you're working in. Don't do it like I did right here, where I'm just like pure into my concrete. But this engine wasn't really that dirty. So this is a B18C that's in my Integra right now. Obviously this is a throwback video. This came in pretty dirty, and that's just usual. They come from Japan pretty dirty and used. But with dry ice blasting, dude, all this stuff comes off, like the white corrosion that adheres to the aluminum pops right off. Some of the rust comes off, not like heavy rust, but I mean, as you can see right here, you can clean it up pretty well. Now, if you're curious if this will hurt like the surface, you can actually tailor the stream and also the pressure. So it could be as light as removing dirt from leather, or removing carbon buildup from your engine ports. So as you can see right here, I'm actually hitting the outside, but at one point I actually cleaned up the valves, and you know, I rotated the valves shut, cleaned them up, and then that's how they look right now. Look how silver they look, right? So this engine came in pretty black, and I'm actually quite surprised how well it turned out. As you can see, this is the original image right here, and I'll remove all of the caked on oil that it's kind of impossible to reach, especially in corners where you can't get a brush in. So yeah, if you guys want something like this done to your car, there are a bunch of companies that offer this service. So you can just Google dry ice blasting. This started off in like industrial applications like food stuff, because it's super clean, it doesn't make a mess, and you know, it's relatively easy, though it's not cheap. Okay, so when I did this to my cars, I actually had one of my friends who owns a business help me out. But if you went to a shop to do this, they'll probably charge you maybe $1,000 to clean an engine, if they even want to take the engine, because it's a total pain. But here you go again, the valves right here, the exhaust ports, freaking silver, dude, like it's a brand new engine. So I highly recommend you guys look into dry ice blasting if you're OCD. Now, you could obviously do this with a pressure washer, Simple Green, Purple Power, and your favorite pressure washer or whatever, and it'll come out good. It won't come out amazing like this, but it'll come out good, because that's what I've been doing for decades. But this right here, dude, I actually want to buy a dry ice machine, and maybe one day this will be a cheaper option. But right now, dry ice machines are going for like 20 to 30K. You could probably find used ones for 10 grand, but dude, it is so good. You could clean anything and everything, and I've done my chassis, my wheels, my interior with this stuff.